So I've been testing these Vanon batteries I've had them for like a month now. They actually came on the trip with me to Moab and everything, and I've been using this battery. And this is the charger that they've got, super similar to the Ryobi one. This fits on my Ryobi 18 Plus stuff awesomely, and this battery works great. It's kind of really cool battery level thing. Builds itself up. That's pretty cool, I think. But this is a 5.5 amp hour battery. It seems to last a long time. I've charged it like twice, and I've been able to use it. I use it on the impact. I use it on the leaf blower. I've used it on everything, and it's worked great. And this charger, I've charged multiple different brands with it. The charger doesn't seem to care. Even the Ryobi brand batteries and other different brands that I've used, doesn't seem to care. It also has got some USBs on it, so if you're at a job site and you need USB things, it's actually a really nice all-in-one charger that's pretty clean and simple. So anyway, I definitely recommend these. I'm going to put a link down in the description to them, and I just wanted to show you guys what I've been playing with. If you've got Ryobi tools and you're dealing with Ryobi battery problems or something like that, these are a great solution. So I definitely recommend them.